When was the last time you updated your About section on your YouTube channel? Didn't even know there was an About section on your YouTube channel? This is a key element to your YouTube channel that will help you in YouTube search if you do it right. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what to include in that About section to help you get more views and subscribers. Hi, my name is Trina, and on this channel, I help online business owners like you get on YouTube to grow your business. My number one way to grow my business is through YouTube because I use my YouTube videos as my 24/7 sales team to take care of the heavy work while I'm taking care of my kids and my family. One of the key elements of your YouTube channel that a lot of people don't really think about is your About section. And this section is so important because when people see your channel in search or your channel icon and they hover their mouse over your photo or your icon, the first couple seconds of your About section shows up. So this is basically your pitch to get them to your video or to your channel. So you've really got to make sure that those first 3 lines are super enticing to get people to click. So what you should include there is basically your value proposition. You want people to know why they should subscribe to you. What are you going to do for them? They don't care if you are a YouTube strategist or you are a best-selling New York Times author. They want to know what you are going to do for them. So make sure you're adding that in the first couple sentences of your About section. While you're writing that, you also want to think about the keywords that really describe your channel. So for me, I talk about how to grow a YouTube channel, YouTube tips, YouTube advice. I want to use these keywords throughout my About section in conversational tone, right? I don't want to just keyword stuff these important words that I want to potentially rank for and show up for, but I want them to sound natural so that when people are reading it, they realize, yes, this is the channel that I'm looking for. Another thing that you should include in your About section is your posting schedule. So if they're going to your channel and they're reading your About section, you need to let them know that you post consistently. So even if it's 1 video a week, just make sure you put in your About section, I post new videos every week to help you XYZ, whatever your channel is about. You can also add in that About section a place to contact you. If it's your email that you want them to send to or your business email, you can add that in your About section as well to make it super easy for people to get in contact with you. What I like to do when I'm sitting down to help my clients write their About section is list all the keywords that are going to describe their channel. So if you are an Instagram strategist, Instagram tips, Instagram advice, how to grow your Instagram account, how to get more engagement on your Instagram, those types of keywords. And then take those keywords and incorporate them into how you would describe yourself and the value you will bring to the viewer. So let me know down in the comments below, do you have your About section updated? Or are you gonna do that right now? Now, if you wanna learn some more quick tips on how you can make your YouTube channel better so you can convert more views to paying clients, make sure you watch the video that's on your screen right now. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly videos on how to grow your business here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.